So my name is Susanna and I'm the marketing coordinator at NoFall. So our concept is quite unique. We provide fall protection equipment for ice rinks that enable people of diverse abilities to participate on the ice completely without risk of falling. On the other hand, we also provide a training tool for figure skaters for them to practice jumps in a harness, both for technical and jumping purposes.
Yeah, my name is Casper and I'm the ambassador for NoFall. The equipment has helped me a lot when it comes to ice skating. Before, when I was ice skating, I was unsure because I was actually scared to hurt myself. I was not a good ice skater, but with their equipment, it's helped me a lot when it comes to ice skating because I feel more safe. I feel like I have a lot more balance and I feel more like a greater ice skater. I can ice skate faster and I can ice skate more safe, and that's really one thing I like about NoFall, that it's so safe, and I like to ice skate, but now I can do it in a much more safer way.
So originally the concept was developed for figure skaters, but as we saw this possibility for people of diverse abilities to join and participate on the ice and experience the same happiness that the figure skaters do on a consistent basis, we decided to develop the concept, and this is what we today call the NoFall paraskating concept. So we have many great stories from the experience of NoFall since it started in 2010, but I have a particular one with a girl from Borås Konståkningsklubb, and she started ice skating in 2014. She was struggling a lot with her balance, so she used the harness to be able to come out on the ice. And she trained with the harness for about 6 months until she was able to ice skate a bit without it. And eventually in 2016 she made it to the Paralympics in Angered Arena in Gothenburg. So that was a really exciting thing to see, how our product can help her. One.com really helped us in the manner that they were able to provide a user-friendly and easily navigated web host that helped us to focus more on our mission, which is to create a global standard in all ice rinks, rather than to focus on the digital side of things. Yeah, we created our website to serve as a digital hub for our users and customers, so they easily could find us and for us to stay accessible for everyone who would be interested in contacting us or working with us. So I chose the website builder due to its easily and user-friendly drag and drop features, which made it very easy and quick for me to make the first website. But due to the more advanced features that can be embedded in WordPress and also the plugins, we have now started to migrate to WordPress. So my experience with the One.com customer support was really good actually. It was really quick and responsive. And when we ever had a struggle, we could either use the chat to contact them or we would call, and the response would be quick and efficient. NoFall will really recommend One.com due to its fast customer service, efficient feedback, and the user-friendly interface that really enhances our experience of building up our digital web presence.